There is a specific kind of annoyance that only truly begins when the lights go out and that high-pitched whine starts circling your ear. You know that sound. It is the sound of a sleepless night spent swatting at thin air. This is exactly why gadgets like the BuzzKrush Zapper are taking over our social media feeds lately. Everyone wants a hero in the fight against flying pests. This little device is marketed as a portable and rechargeable solution. It claims to end your bug woes without using a single drop of chemicals. The concept is straightforward. It uses a specific light to lure insects toward an internal electric grid. Once they make contact, they are eliminated instantly. It sounds like the perfect alternative to those smelly coils or the sticky sprays that leave you feeling like you have been dipped in a vat of oil. You can take it to your bedroom. You can bring it out to the patio. You can even toss it in your camping gear for a weekend in the woods. However, we need to take a breath and look at the reality of how these things actually function. A bug zapper is not a magical force field that creates an invisible wall around your home. Its effectiveness depends on a dozen different factors. You have to think about the ambient light in the room. You have to consider exactly where you place it. Even the specific species of mosquito in your area matters. Some bugs are obsessed with light. Others could not care less about it. If you expect this one little light to clear out an entire backyard while you are hosting a large barbecue, you might end up disappointed. It is more of a specialized tool than a total solution. Before you click that buy button on a site you have never heard of, you need to do your homework. Check the shipping policies carefully. Look for real human feedback that was not written by the company itself. Sometimes the marketing makes a product look like it was forged by gods, but the customer service is barely reachable when things go wrong. Based on what we can see right now, this seems to be a genuine piece of hardware rather than a total fake. However, there's not a mountain of independent testing to back up every single claim yet. If you do pick one up, use it as part of a larger plan. Keep your window screens closed. Empty out any standing water in your yard. Use the zapper as your last line of defense in a small, enclosed area. Do not treat it like a miracle. Treat it like a tool. It is all about managing expectations while trying to get a decent night of sleep without that tiny, buzzing intruder ruining your mood. Be smart about your purchase. Look for a solid refund policy. Keep your receipts. A little bit of caution goes a long way when you're buying gadgets online. Stay curious and stay informed out there. This device might help you reclaim your space, but it is only one piece of the puzzle. Just remember to keep the light away from your own eyes if you want to stay relaxed. Pests are persistent, but with the right strategy, you can finally find some peace and quiet. Turn the device on and let it do its thing while you focus on enjoying your evening. It is a simple tool for a very old problem. We just have to use it the right way to see the best results. Every bit of protection helps when the bugs are biting. This could be the small win you need this season. Keep your eyes open for the details that matter. Truth is always better than a flashy ad. That is how you stay ahead of the curve. Enjoy your bug-free zone and keep those screens tight. It makes a world of difference. Your sleep is worth the extra effort. Don't let the small stuff get under your skin. Stay sharp.